Hi. Let's say you have a nice text with basic formatting you want to import into Trello Cards description. First, I try just copying the text into the CSV, and formatting looks fine. However, when I use this file to import cards into Trello, it is not working as expected. To save formatting you have in the file, you have to use special Trello guidelines. They allow you to easily add bold, italics, code blocks, paragraphs to blocks of text and other formatting. And now, after I edited the file to follow Trello guidelines, I import cards into Trello using Import to Wizard to see how it works. Let's check out the result. We imported card and desired formatting with the CSV using Trello formatting guidelines. Happy cards import with Import to Wizard.